Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Ms. Razia Bashir from University of Education, Lower Al Campus, Lahore. I am co-teaching Zoogegraphy and Paleontology. The main teacher to this subject is Dr. Muhammad Mudassir Shahzad from Division of Science and Technology, Township, Lahore. Today we will discuss our next region, that is the Neotropical region. This is also known as South American continent or South American region. Here in the world map you can see the major biological regions: Palearctic, Nearctic, Australian, Afrotropic and Neotropic. This one is basically the Neotropical. This is mainly famous for its football countries. Extent of Neotropical region includes South and Central America, the Mexican lowlands, the Caribbean islands which are present in Atlantic Ocean, and southern Florida. The area of Neotropical region is approximately 19 million square kilometer, mainly covering South America and the Caribbean. Looking into the history of Neotropical area, South America was originally part of the supercontinent of Gondwana, which included Africa, Australia, India, New Zealand and Antarctic. Neotropic shares many plants and animal lineages with these other continents, including marsupial mammals and the Antarctic flora. The evolution of Earth to the continental drift has been discussed in our previous lecture in the topic of Nearctic region, where I talk about different ecozones given by WWF and their formation through the continental drift and plate tectonics. I have discussed that initially the Earth was a single common land mass which was known as the Pangea. Pangea was broken down into two main continents, the southern continent and the northern continent. Northern continent was known as Laurasia, whereas the southern continent was the Gondwana. So Neotropic is basically part of the Gondwana land. Here you can see the supercontinent of Gondwana. So mainly current day southern continents including Australia, Antarctic, Oriental, Africa and South America, they were once together as the Gondwana land. About 4 million years ago, South America was joined with North America by the formation of the Isthmus of Panama. This junction allowed a biotic exchange between two continents, which is known as the Great American Interchange. This Great American Interchange has also been discussed in our previous topic of the Nearctic region. South American species like the armadillos, they move into North American continent, whereas the North American species like the ancestors of South American camelids, including the genus Llama, move to the South American continent. Here the picture shows South American continent and the North American continent. At one side of these continents were the Atlantic Ocean and another side is the Pacific Ocean. So these two oceans were connected. But nowadays, after the establishment of Isthmus of Panama, there is no physical connection between these two oceans. So after the establishment of this isthmus, these continents have a land connection through which most of the animal exchange was possible. Going to revise the history of our Earth. Approximately 363 million years ago, if you look, the face of Earth was looking like this picture. After 130 million years ago, you see the Laurentia and Gondwana lands. Approximately 80 million years ago, you see different continents getting separated from each other. And after 55 million years ago, approximately, you see the India joins Asia, Italy joins Europe. So continuously, the face of Earth has been changing over time. About 17 million years ago, you see Africa is joining Asia. And approximately 4 million years ago, South America and North America, they got connected to the Isthmus of Panama. Concerning the physical features and climate of this region, mostly it is represented by the tropical climate, where most of the year the rainfall is maximum, the temperature availability and the light availability is maximum. However, southern region extends into the southern tip, where the temperate zone is present. The Amazon River basin has high rainfall almost around the year. However, the lower part, the non-tropical part of South America, is covered with treeless grassy plains which are known as the pampas. In extreme south, you can find a severe climate of southern Patagonia. Basically, Patagonia is a geographic region containing the southernmost part of the South America. It is located in Argentina and Chile. You can see the pampas over here. Here, the southern Patagonia is shown. When we talk about the affinities of Neotropical region, as we all know that Neotropical once upon a time was part of the Gondwana land. So it shares many of the animal and plant species with these southern continents. However, out of all the regions, Neotropical region has highest number of endemic families of vertebrates. Despite this great diversity, many of the commonly occurring mammals are not present in this region, like there are no hedgehogs, no moles, beavers, hyenas and native horses. There are no anthropoid apes and dog-faced monkeys. Anthropoid apes are known as anthropoid because of their similarity with the humans. Most of the tropical rainforests of the world are located in Neotropical region. This also includes the most famous Amazon rainforest, which extends from southern Mexico through Central America and northern South America to southern Brazil. These rainforests are one of the most important reserves of biodiversity on Earth. The peculiar thing about these areas is that no deserts are present in this zone. Here you can see in the map of world representing distribution of tropical rainforest highlighted in green. So easily you can see most of the rainforest is lying in the Neotropical area. Some shared fauna between Nearctic in Neotropical region includes opossums, tree porcupine, peccaries, and armadillos. Major ecological regions of Neotropical include Chilean subregion, Brazilian subregion, Mexican subregion, and West Indies subregion. We will discuss these ecological regions one by one. First, we have the Chilean subregion. It includes west coast of South America. It contains Andes Mountain in Bolivia, Peru, and Argentina. Andes Mountain series is the world's longest continental mountain range. It is a continental range of highlands along the western coast of South America. Here you can see the yellow highlighted area represents the Andes Mountain series. In this series, most of the active volcanoes of the world are present. At the highest elevations, most of the volcanic peaks are present along the Andes mountain chain. Out of them, Cotopaxi is the highest active volcano in the world. In this subregion, the peculiar fauna includes three-toed ostrich, which is also known as Rhea americana. Clams and oilbirds are also common in this area. The second main region is the Brazilian subregion. It includes tropical forests of South America. It shows evergreen forests. Plains are also seen, rivers are present, hence more vegetation is seen. That is all about our today's topic. Thank you all for listening and learning it carefully. If you have any question, you may ask through the Google Classroom.